The allure of passive income unveiling YouTube automation. Imagine a river flowing endlessly. That's passive income. It works while you sleep, eat, or explore. YouTube automation is that river. Imagine earning thousands, even while you're on vacation. Sounds good, right? It's possible. Let's explore how. You see, traditional jobs offer a trade-off time for money, but YouTube automation flips the script. You create content once and it potentially generates income forever. It's about working smarter, not harder. Think about your passions. What do you enjoy learning about? What could you talk about for hours? Those passions can become your ticket to financial freedom. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, mind you. It takes dedication, strategy, and a sprinkle of patience. But the rewards? Life-changing. Decoding YouTube automation, a gateway to online riches. So what exactly is YouTube automation? It's like building a self-driving car but for your online business. You create high-quality content once, optimize it for search engines, and watch as it attracts viewers, even while you're away. The beauty of automation lies in its scalability. You're not limited by time or location. Your videos work tirelessly, 24/7, attracting a global audience. Imagine waking up to find your channel has earned you a substantial income overnight. But it's not just about the money. YouTube automation allows you to share your passions with the world, build a community, and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. It's about creating a legacy that extends beyond the traditional 9-to-5 grind. In the following sections, we'll delve into the practical steps to build your own automated YouTube empire. We'll explore niche selection, content creation, optimization strategies, and monetization methods. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey toward financial freedom. Niche selection: finding your golden goose in the YouTube goldmine. Choosing the right niche is like striking gold in the YouTube landscape. It's the foundation upon which your entire empire will be built. So, how do you find your golden goose? First, consider your passions. What excites you? What could you talk about for hours on end? Your enthusiasm will shine through in your videos and resonate with your audience. Next, research your competition. Are there already established players in your niche? Don't be discouraged. Competition can be healthy. It shows there's an audience. Analyze their content. Identify gaps or areas where you can provide unique value. Remember, differentiation is key in a crowded digital space. Finally, consider the monetization potential. Are there products or services you can promote alongside your content? Affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and even your own digital products can become lucrative income streams. Building your content creation dream team. Assembling the perfect crew. Creating engaging content is at the heart of YouTube automation, but you don't have to do it all yourself. Building a team can streamline the process and elevate your content to new heights. Start with the essentials. A skilled video editor who can bring your vision to life, a graphic designer to create eye-catching thumbnails and channel art, and a researcher to ensure your content is accurate and up to date. As your channel grows, consider expanding your team with writers, voiceover artists, and social media managers. Each member plays a crucial role in maintaining consistency and quality. Remember, effective communication is key. Clearly communicate your vision, expectations, and deadlines to ensure everyone is on the same page. Regularly review your team's performance and provide constructive feedback to foster growth and improvement. Building a strong team is essential for YouTube's success. Section 5. Scripting and storyboarding: crafting compelling content for your audience. Before you hit record, it's crucial to plan your content meticulously. Think of scripting and storyboarding as the blueprint for your YouTube success. Start by outlining your key talking points. What message do you want to convey? Break down your video into digestible segments, each with a clear purpose. Next, craft an engaging script that's both informative and entertaining. Use conversational language as if you're speaking directly to a friend. Don't be afraid to inject your personality into your writing. Storyboarding helps you visualize the flow of your video. Sketch out each scene, including camera angles, transitions, and any visuals you plan to use. This ensures a cohesive and visually appealing final product. Remember, your goal is to capture and hold your audience's attention. Keep your content concise, informative, and engaging. End with a clear call to action, encouraging viewers to like, comment, subscribe, and share your video. Section 6. YouTube, SEO mastery, propelling your videos to the top of search results. Imagine your video as a tiny boat in a vast ocean of content. YouTube SEO is the lighthouse that guides viewers to your shores. Start by understanding keywords. What are people searching for in your niche? Use tools like Google Trends and TubeBuddy to identify relevant keywords with high search volume. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your video title, description, and tags. But don't stuff keywords, as this can harm your ranking. Optimize your video's metadata. Write compelling titles that accurately reflect your content and pique viewers' curiosity. Craft detailed descriptions that provide context and entice viewers to click. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and foster a sense of community. The more engagement your video receives, the higher it will rank in search results. Section 7. The Art of Video Optimization. Captivating thumbnails, titles, and descriptions. You've created amazing content. Now, let's make it impossible to ignore. Think of your video thumbnail as a movie poster. It's the first thing viewers see, and it needs to grab their attention. Use high-quality images that are relevant to your content. Incorporate bold text and contrasting colors to make your thumbnail pop. Consider using a close-up shot of your face with an engaging expression. Your video title is your headline. It should be clear, concise, and attention-grabbing. Use keywords strategically and consider using numbers or power words to increase click-through rates. Your video description is your chance to provide context and entice viewers to watch. Use the first few lines to highlight the value your video offers. Include relevant keywords and a call to action, encouraging viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Section 8. Monetization magic, unlocking multiple revenue streams on YouTube. Now, let's talk about the fun part: making money. YouTube offers various monetization methods, allowing you to turn your passion into profit. The most common method is through advertising revenue. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Once approved, ads will appear on your videos and you'll earn a share of the revenue. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative option. Partner with brands and promote their products or services in your videos. You'll earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Consider selling your own merchandise, such as t-shirts, mugs, or digital products related to your niche. This not only generates income, but also strengthens your brand identity and fosters a sense of community. Explore sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands may approach you to promote their products or services in your videos. Negotiate fair rates and ensure the sponsorships align with your brand values. Section 9. Scaling your YouTube empire. Expanding your reach and income. Congratulations, your YouTube channel is thriving. Now it's time to scale your empire and reach new heights of success. One effective strategy is to increase your uploading frequency. The more high-quality content you produce, the more opportunities you'll have to attract viewers and generate income. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. Cross-promote each other's channels to tap into new audiences and expand your reach. Leverage social media to promote your videos and engage with your audience. Share snippets, behind-the-scenes content, and interact with your followers to build a strong community. Consider running YouTube ads to promote your videos to a wider audience. Target your ads based on demographics, interests, and keywords to reach viewers who are most likely to be interested in your content. Section 10. Navigating the challenges, overcoming obstacles on your path to success. The path to YouTube success is not without its challenges, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can overcome any obstacle. One common challenge is dealing with negative comments or criticism. Remember, not everyone will appreciate your content, and that's okay. Focus on your true fans and ignore the negativity. Algorithm changes can impact your video's visibility. Stay up to date with the latest YouTube guidelines and best practices to adapt to any changes. Competition can be fierce. Differentiate yourself by offering unique value, engaging with your audience, and consistently producing high-quality content. Burnout is a real concern for content creators. Set realistic goals, take breaks when needed, and prioritize your mental and physical well-being. Section 11. Conclusion. The journey to $1,000 a day, a marathon, not a sprint. The journey to earning $1,000 a day with YouTube automation is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires dedication, strategy, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Remember to choose a profitable niche, create high-quality content, Optimize your videos for search, and explore various monetization methods. Build a strong team, engage with your audience, and leverage social media to expand your reach. Don't be discouraged by challenges. View them as opportunities for growth and learning. Stay consistent, stay passionate, and never give up on your dreams. The world of YouTube automation is vast and full of possibilities. Take the first step today and embark on your journey to financial freedom and online success.